Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be going through how to create a website on 10Web. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So 10Web is an all-in-one platform and it's designed for WordPress. On top of this, 10Web actually has its own AI website builder, so that can be a little bit easier for those who are just starting off. Now, it provides a range of tools and services to streamline the process of building, hosting, managing, and optimizing WordPress websites. It integrates various aspects of website management to single user-friendly environment platform. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the key components of 10Web itself, and then we'll jump onto the platform and have a look at the different tools as well as build an AI website as well as just an overall website. So let's jump into it. Number one is the automated WordPress hosting. Now 10Web offers managed WordPress hosting, which includes automated features like one-click installation, and that simplifies the process of setting up a new WordPress site. Number two is the automated backups as well, so you got regular automated backups to ensure data safety. And number three, for automated WordPress hosting, you've got security. Strong security measures to protect against online threats. That's what you need. You've also got speed optimization, so features like image optimization and efficient code delivery to enhance that overall website performance. These are all key for WordPress hosting. So number two, what I was talking about there is the AI builder. Now it does have this particular feature for 10Web, and it does leverage on AI for website creation and design. It does help those who are just starting off with website creation, so handy for any beginners, of course. So number one, it does have website duplication. It can replicate an existing website into a WordPress version, so you can input a website URL and the AI builder recreates its design in WordPress. Now, number two, it does have the overall design, so AI accurately captures the design elements like layout, you've got color schemes and fonts from the original site. You also have customization, so after the AI creates the site, users can customize and refine it using 10Web's editing tools. With the efficiency, particularly useful for migrating existing sites to WordPress, and it does save time as well as the effort. Now, the WordPress integration there, it does have it, which is good to see. You can do some plugin management, so it has that easy installation and management of WordPress plugins. You've got the theme compatibility as well, so 10Web is compatible with most WordPress themes, and that allows for diverse design choices. SEO tools is another one that's in there, so integrated tools to help optimize WordPress sites for our search engines as well. You also have analytics, so insights into website performance as well as user behavior. So now that we have a clear and better understanding on what the overall 10Web platform is all about, we'll go ahead and jump in to the platform and check out all its little tools as well as the builder. So this is the 10Web platform. Now there are multiple different options to go through with the 10Web builder itself. You have the choices to choose e-commerce, AI website builder, you've got AI assistant, AI business name generator, AI marketing strategy generator, and the AI SEO tool. Now these are all very convenient to use, especially if you are just starting off as a business. So again, would 100% recommend to use these to your advantage, especially with the AI assistant, AI business name generator, AI marketing strategy generator, and the AI SEO tool. Now just to quickly go through them, with the AI writing assistant, this helps you write SEO optimized content. It helps you with fixing SEO or readability errors in Yoast SEO, and you also can rank higher with the SEO optimized content. So that is how you would work through this. You can see how you're able to copy or highlight an area and generate paragraphs. So again, a very simple tool to use. Now you've got the AI business name generator. Now this is only if you are struggling with your actual website name. So for example, with us, of course, we're ProfileTree, but if I am a little bit stuck with choosing a name, I can always select my length and the sort of style that we want to go for. We'll go for playful, and we'll go ahead and generate that. And we will wait and see. So as you can see, there's Pixel Pals, Web Wizards, Media Mash, Buzz Builders, and so on. So it does provide several different types of names for my potential business. So another thing to note when you are creating a business through here, or looking for a name. Now with the other parts as well, you have AI Marketing Strategy Generator, another cool little thing to see here. Now with this is where you can describe your business and set a strategy. So social media, influencer marketing, SEO, business type, digital agency, and we'll generate that strategy. Go for it, see what we can come up with. So it might take a little minute here. Okay, so it's actually doing it now. And it should make up some content for us. So you can see that we have a table of contents now for our marketing strategy. So 1-on-1, purpose of marketing strategy, 1 of 2, target audience and market segmentation, social media marketing. So it is just a handy tool to use, especially if you're trying to figure out what you would need to do to maximize your digital growth. You can see there for social media, influencer marketing, and SEO. This could be used for your company. So generate your marketing strategy with AI in minutes, skyrocket your revenue with a winning strategy. So these are all strategy based anyway. It gives you more of an idea on how to run your overall business. And here we also have the AI SEO tool. Now with the AI SEO tool, this will help you generate some best keywords. Again, if we add describe your business and then generate those keywords, we'll see what it'll come up with. You can see we've got digital marketing, website design, web development, digital training, video production, content marketing, SEO, Northern Ireland, and online marketing. So a list of different options to use in terms of our actual SEO for keywords. So AI SEO tool, simple yet effective, and we can use that for different areas like our content. We could use that for a strategy. We could use that for blog posts, whatever we decide to use the AI SEO tool for, we can apply it onto the website builder. So in terms of this, you do have WordPress integration as well. You can see that you've got automated WordPress hosting. So if you just take a look through here, there's just more information based on it. So if you want to take a look through there. And of course we have some blogs like AI, WordPress, website building, and so on. And of course with the pricing, we'll just quickly take a look at this one. So we'll take a look at the platform itself. So if you are wanting to start off with 10Web, you can see that you have an AI starter here for $10 per month. You've got the AI Premium, which is at $15 per month, AI Ultimate, which is $23, and then if you're going to go for an e-commerce based, $15 per month, $38 for the premium, $175 for the dedicated hosting. And of course, if you're agency based, then you can select the agency starter as well as the agency premium. Do take a look at the features, as this may throw you off. So if you ended up picking one and you actually found that this was the better option, then it is worthwhile to just double check the features, as it does go into more detail, like convert to WordPress with AI. You can see how that's done that. You've got your website speed optimization, more details on that as well. The high performance hosting by Google Cloud, again, more information on that. A little bit more as well, 24/7 customer support. You've got collaboration. You've got your enterprise features. So please take a look through those before going with a particular plan. Now, on a side note, you do need a plan in order to trial out 10Web itself. Without a plan, you can't jump on the 10Web builder, unfortunately. So you can't even use the website integration. You can't use the hosting. Once you have everything, all the plans or the plan set in place, that's when you can host and actually create a built website. So take a note of that before using TenWeb itself. So now that we've cleared that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and jump onto the AI website builder, and we'll generate a website through here. So it'll ask, what do you want to do? Do you want to create a website with AI, or do you want to convert a website from WordPress to AI? So we'll just create one with AI here. I'm going to go ahead and select create an informational website. Go ahead and click next. Type of business, we are just going to say that we are digital marketing or digital agency. So that'll work out for us. Digital agency. Go ahead and click next. So we should have about 3 websites at the minute. So it actually didn't create that for us, but no problem. If you just select the create a website on the top left here, it will ask those questions again. Again, we'll just say test. And then we have our subdomain. We've got all our admin, etc. So we'll just create that website. Now, this will set up our hosting. This will then install WordPress, and then it will finalize the whole process. So roughly this takes about a couple of minutes to do. So just be patient. May take a little bit longer depending on the performance of the device or the speed of the internet. So it won't really take that long. I'll go ahead and skip ahead until this is now complete. So as simple as that, it's went ahead and created a TenWeb website for us. So that's simple enough. Now you can see, okay, we can easily edit pages with a drag and drop editor. Now that's a bonus for us. That means Elementor is built into this. So optimize the SEO of your website. Good. We can connect a custom domain as well. All right. So that's what we need to do. So we'll go ahead and select Let's Start. So there's our site there. You can see on the right side, and it's actually brought us to this dashboard. Now we do have the AI assistant dashboard. We can switch to that if need be, or we could just generate it straight away with AI. So if just to showcase the AI assistant here, this is what it looks like. This is where we can use AI to create blog posts, use AI to do a blog post outline, create conclusion for the paragraph, and so on. So it has a lot of features, and it is pretty good for what it is. So that is the AI assistant. And we can actually buy extra words as well. So currently what we've used is 1,295, so not a lot with the 50,000 there. So we'll just go ahead and go back. So we're going to go ahead and generate with AI. What we want to do is create an informational website. And the business type, we will say digital agency. Perfect. And go ahead and click next. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a website on here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Going to go ahead and click next. Enter your company name, test. Describe the company. So we'll just say, so something to do with video. Just like that. Go ahead and enhance that with AI. And then click next. So it said that we do a service for custom websites, we do a service for digital training, and we do a service for online marketing. So we'll leave those for now. You could always change that if you need to. It's going to go ahead and finalize. And you can see here that it's going to go ahead and create a blank website template for us. And I'll skip ahead once this is complete. So you should see this confirmation saying congrats, your website is successfully generated with AI. All you need to do now is preview and edit. So we'll do the following. We'll preview and edit this. So it is quite literally just a couple of simple steps in order to create and have a website up and running. There's the Elementor logo that we want to see. And that means that if we are creating a website on this, it's all just going to be Elementor based. So that means it's a drag and drop feature. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean with the elements itself, but I can change headings, I can change images. It will fix my margins, it will fix my padding, and it's really that simple. So here we are. This is what the site looks like. This is just the basic site. and you can go for a tour if you need to, especially if you're starting off, but we'll just select remind me later. We've got our structure on the right side here. Treat this more of a layer area. So if you have your hero section here, you can go ahead and drop that down. You can see the container or what's in it. So it's saying container in a container in a container, meaning that, okay, there's a container here. There's 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3. So that makes sense. So 1, 2, 3, and then with the third one having a heading and a button. So I assume what they've done here is they've used that for the padding and the margins to center it and align it well. So that means in terms of the tablet mode as well as the portrait mode of the sizes or the different screen sizes, we've got mobile, we've got the tablet, and we've got desktop. That means it will automatically reduce its size and become responsive to the site itself. So if we take a look, bespoke digital solutions, and from the mobile version, it's just so it's around here. Let's just assume. So it disappears from there. So that's how that would mainly work, and you can do some minor adjustments if you need to. So let's just say we needed to move this particular section. We can move it there if we need to. We can move it down as well. There's a lot you could do, and it just becomes a little bit more interesting. So see, it hasn't loaded. If you do make mistakes like that, you see, you can always revert back. Then we'll go here. So currently that's what it looks like now. Let's see if we can fix it. I'll remove that section. And then I'm going to add a new section in. So you can add new sections in, and you will see these pluses here, which is to add a container. Just double check to see whether or not this is working. Okay, so it's just fixed itself there, but you can add some containers here or sections, and this is where you can drag and drop widgets. So this is where you would mainly want to select your structure. So there's a couple of different structures there. Very easy to use. It is drag and drop, where I can drag and drop a container, or if I want to add more elements as well, I can add my headings, I can add my images as well. So there's a heading, and if I'm satisfied with that part, I can go ahead and drag and drop another part, which is an image. So there's an image, and if I don't like the alignment of this part, I want to center it, I can easily center that, just like so. Image, I can choose an image, I can go ahead and upload some of my own content in, so simple area to do. I can write with AI as well, so that's another thing that's coming soon by the looks of things. So if I want to write with AI, just select this, I can make it longer, I can fix spelling, add new prompts, simplify the language. So if I'm going to add a new prompt, talk about custom website builds. You see how easy it is to actually create some content for us. We don't even need to think, it just creates what we need. So just like so, it's went ahead and created something very long. So if I don't like it that long, it's no problem, I can fix it. So all I would need to do is select this, write with AI, and I can make it so much more shorter. So AI does play a big part to what we use now. So there you go, it's a little bit shorter now. Again, I can make it a little bit shorter if I need to. And it should come up with something. There you go, so it's that simple. So it's created a simple, basic bit of information and text for us. So in terms of everything else, there are other layout tools to use. So if you just simply select the elements button again, you have your different areas like your general, and with the general you've got image box, icon box, image carousel. One thing to note is using the Tent Web Builder itself, it's pretty good for the fact that if you are using WordPress alone and you have Elementor built in it, you don't really need to think about it with this platform as you're not paying for it. Well, you are paying for the 10web subscription for the hosting, but you're paying for everything. So that means you don't have to pay for Elementor, you don't have to pay for a separate hosting platform. It all is pretty much straightforward. So if you're using WordPress and you're doing it all yourself, you're going to have to pay for Elementor, you're going to have to pay for hosting. So it does become a little bit more expensive if you build it yourself or if you don't build it through a builder. But overall, there's a lot of things that you can do and create for a website like this. So I've actually went ahead off screen there and I've created something a bit simple here. So here we have a trusted storage partner in Belfast. That's the sort of thing that I've created here. And easy, simple structure layout. I can go ahead and add the different sponsors. I've got like a Google rating here, different services that's offered. So there is a lot of potential on what you can do with WordPress itself or the 10web itself. So I would highly recommend it, especially for its AI website builder. But there you have it, guys. That is pretty much how you develop a website design. Now, if you are going to go through that process of creating a website from scratch, then that's when you need to use the likes of